I'm Samantha, and this is Lone Crow Adventures, the channel where we talk about all things camping, hiking, and backpacking. Today we are at Sand Ridge State Forest in Illinois. We're getting ready for a weekend of hot tenting. So I think that we're ready to head inside and we'll get that stove fired up and get cooking. Open face pizza burgers. Oh, look at that. There's the first one. I think I'll be able to fit 3 of them in the pan. Oh, look at that. Alright, so on to the pepperoni. Alright. Got open face pizza burgers. Those are tasty. You know, you can really taste the flavor of the peppers and the mushrooms and the basil big time. Did you see that? Mm-hmm.
It's like from nothing to like it combusted. That's ridiculous.
That's all you needed.
Slow it down.
Good morning, everybody. We slept really, really good in the tent. I always sleep so much better at camping than I do at home. Even if it is a weekend night at home, I sleep so much better at camp. It is 20 degrees outside this morning. We're gonna get ready to start our hike.
No, we're gonna have coffee. We're gonna get ready to have coffee.
We're gonna get ready to have coffee. After the coffee, the sausage and biscuits, then we're gonna start our hike. Alright, we're gonna get some coffee going here. This is the real technical measuring system. The little wrist flick of the Ziploc bag. Now, I always put my grounds in this little receptacle outside of the coffee pot because too many times I end up with the grounds on the inside of the coffee pot. That's ba-bam! I
I used the camera to fix my hair. What's this crazy curl right here? Everybody wants to know. I don't have anything to say. I'm waiting for the coffee.
So, how many of you ladies out there go the entire camping weekend without brushing your hair? I don't see a second hand raised. Breakfast time. Hot coffee, a couple biscuits, and some sausage. It's only February, but if you take a look at this thorn bush, you'll notice the very first signs of spring here with these buds. That's an encouraging sign for you warm weather lovers. All right, almost to the end. You can see the sun right there. It's getting ready to set, which is good. We're getting back here at a perfect time. I'm sure we don't have that much further to go. We did bring headlamps with us though, just on the off chance that something goes south and you end up having to hike a little bit in the dark. It's always good to be prepared, but I don't think we'll need them. Oh, what a lovely day. It is 50 something degrees outside. And it is February 23rd. So happy birthday to my sister-in-law. It's her birthday today. But this late in February to have this kind of weather where I just have an underlayer and a mid layer on, that is a gift. So I'm out here doing some dishes. I heated up some water with the Winnerwell water receptacle. This thing is awesome too. I love this thing. Yeah, it's taking a little long though for this job. It's great for filling up the cocoa. Kind of like having hot water on tap at all times when you're inside the hot tent. And I took this off the hot tent a while ago. Normally you wouldn't want to pick this up with your hands after it comes off because it is hot. But it's been sitting for a while. Yeah, because this thing will burn you if you pick it up. I've got some fire gloves I use to take it off. Now, don't worry for all you, nature lovers out there. I'm a nature lover just like y'all. I have a gray water receptacle underneath here, so no ecosystems will be harmed in the washing of these dishes. So, and we've had these birds flying overhead. Oh, there they go. Oh my God. Look how many there are.
And they've been going over.
There they go. Look at how many. Oh my gosh, they're all migrating together. We've been hearing this all weekend. There goes another pack of them. And look, here comes more. I have never seen so many. Oh, there's got to be more than 250 that just passed. These guys are all coming back for the spring. Oh, there's a random bird of prey. I think that's a hawk. But they've been going all day and all night. We've been hearing this. Time to get packed up and head on home. Now, this thing is such a mammoth to get in the bag. This is the first hot tenting weekend that we've had in a couple weeks where we haven't had rain to deal with. Last weekend we were out here, we had a wintry mix coming down, and that always makes it for cold conditions for packing up, and the ground gives off a lot of condensation, so your mats and your sleeping bags get some dampness in them. So when we get home, we have to haul this stuff upstairs into the house, let it dry out, and then pack it all back up again a couple days later. So it's kind of nice. At least the sleeping bags so far. We're not going to have to unpack when we get home. Poo dog always has to clean the toilet too. Just take some hand sanitizer. You can buy those wet ones that are antibacterial if you like. This'll do the job. Every once in a while I'll take her home and give her a nice soapy bath. But honestly, this thing doesn't smell. It smells fresh. Cleaner than my bathroom at home. The sad thing is that's probably true. Give a little toilet seat. Everything gets a little wiped down. Wipe down the top. Then we open her up all around. She's ready for the next adventure. Well, guys, thanks for stopping in and checking out our hot tenting weekend. You never know where we're going to be next, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't already done so. And since you're still hanging around, you may as well check out another video. Till next time, folks, we'll see you on the trail.